I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: one valid ID, proof of address, and any income proof you have. Once done, decide the exact loan amount and preferred term so you don't waste time at the counter. Make sure to confirm whether you need collateral or a guarantor. This affects processing. Then go to the nearest Mlhuillier branch during business hours. When you arrive, tell the teller you want a quick cash loan so they prepare the correct application form and queue you properly. You fill the application carefully, writing your full name, contact number, loan amount, term, and purpose. Legibility speeds processing. Next, hand over your ID, proof of address, and any income proof or collateral information. Let staff make copies and take required photos. Once submitted, the branch performs verification, a quick credit or transaction history review, document checks, and manager approval. While you wait, have alternate contact info ready. This helps if they need to confirm. You review the loan offer, confirm fees and the repayment schedule, then sign the agreement. Do not skip reading key terms. Once approved, receive cash or accredited transfer. Count funds in front of staff and get a receipt with a reference number and due dates. If your application is denied, calmly ask why, request the list of missing requirements, and offer additional documents. Make sure to correct issues and request resubmission after 1 to 2 days. For delays, call the branch with your reference number for a quick update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.